Well, I've been coming every year since 2003, and now it's something I look forward to.
It's about my 10th year I've been coming to the NGH.
I've been a hypnotist for 18 years now, and I come to the National Guild of Hypnotists convention every year.
I'm having a wonderful time. It's my first year, and I look forward to coming back in the future.
Well, I actually came last year. You must come to convention, join the guilds, come and see, and I'm hooked.
Well, I've been coming here since I started as a hypnotist, probably 1989.
There's so many different classes that you can take and so many different techniques. It was really nice to connect with other people.
I've been a member for what has got to be going on 30 years now.
I love the convention.